Hello, my friends. It's Wednesday. 1 week till Christmas. And it's a blizzard out. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon. And look what we have. It's snowing. It's Wednesday. Happy hump day, middle of the week. Getting over the hump till Friday. And it's a blizzard. I just got home from the doctor. And I'm so glad I made it home before the snow. Wow. Right now the roads are still pretty good because this has only been going on for probably 10 minutes. Not enough to really affect the road too much, but if it keeps up, it'll accumulate. I want to say happy holidays to all of you. I love every single one of my friends and those I haven't even met yet. Happy holidays. God bless you. And don't forget, if you ever need prayer or a friend, someone to talk to, I'm available. You can contact me in my channel and we can get back and forth to each other to find another way of contact. I can't believe it's only 1 week until Christmas. This year has flown by. I can't believe also it's going to be 2020. Wow. They say the older you get, the faster time goes, and I never believed it till this year. There's not any blue much in the sky. A couple peaks. It is just a blizzard. It's so cold too. My car is getting covered. I'm so glad I'm home. Praise the Lord. Thank you, everybody, for being my friend. I look forward to continuing to be your friend and helping your channel. We can come up with ideas together. Maybe help each other in other ways in the coming year. I love to help people. I appreciate you helping me. I'm trying to learn. I appreciate your friendship. I say God bless you. May you have the wonderful holidays. It doesn't take money to have a great holiday. You can't afford to give gifts. Like, I don't have a lot of money. I'm disability retired, and so is my husband after his brain stroke. But you know what? We can make cookies or help a friend, take them to the store, go shopping for them, do things like that. Maybe help them go to the doctor, take them to the doctor appointment, something like that. It's not always store-bought stuff is best, because that's not true. I like getting together, maybe a good meal, or make up a meal for them, freeze it, bring it to them. They can put it away till someday when they don't feel like cooking. All right, my friends, I love you. Happy holidays. And God bless every one of you.